When Julie left her quiet and serene suburban life, she believed her new husband, Donald, would give her the world. Instead, she was thrown into a nightmare. Violently abused and surrounded by a cult community that covered up their leader's crimes, Julie and her daughters became slaves to her husband's terrible violence. The abuse would come from any small excuse. The slightest look her husband's way, or missing a single weed from the day's garden work. Donald Haas committed a great violence against Julie and her children, without fear of any consequences. Can Julie escape the horrible torment of her husband and his cult? Can she save her daughters from a lifetime of abuse and violence? Find out in author Julie Griffin's incredible story of courage, strength, and hope in the face of unadulterated evil, In the Arms of Satan.